Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Citibank password. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to citi.com and your preferred browser, go to the URL section, type it, then hit the enter button. You'll find yourself in the home screen or home page of Citibank. Of course, if you're on the mobile, you can simply just sign in or download this, of course. And once you download it, if you're trying to sign in, you'll find a forgot ID or password right there once you're trying to sign in with your ID. And you can simply click on that, then follow the steps from there to change your password. That's basically how you reset your password. On the website, as an example, and once you type the city.com, you'll find here forgot password, user ID or password. From here, I'll choose password. And here, you will have to simply select the account type and use the primary account holder information to verify your identity. So you'll have to choose your account type, first of all. If you have a bank or credit card customers, or if you are a bank or credit card and/or credit card customer, you'll have to enter your debit card informations as an example right here. So as an example, just say those are your infos, just go and enter them down and then click on continue. You'll have, of course, to enter your CVV. Also, with one of the following, as example, use the primary card information to complete the identification, which is the date of birth, last four of your social security number or ITIN, or security word. Once you enter all of that, click on continue, then they will take you to basically start or enter a new password. That's simply it. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.